Hello everybody, this is Raj from Unlimited Math. Today I will do integral of exponent functions, and in this functions I will first explain what type of the first type is. Okay, these integrals which I choose today, these are the 6 one. There are a lot of them. I just choose 6 from internet, and this first, this second. Okay, these cannot be converted into this form. Okay, e power x, and here this where the answer is e power x into fx cannot be. And always remember, there is a plus sign. Many students think there is a negative sign. No, there is a plus sign. Okay, this is the first condition for this type 1. And the second condition is integral is not the product of two different type of functions. You have x, e power x, or e power x into sine x, right? Or tangent x, cosine x, right? Not tangent, e power x into cosine x. And the third, this fx is linear, ax plus b, just even it could be x or 2x. It's not like 1 over x square, not. Okay, it's not like tangent inverse x, it's linear. Okay, then these I choose these 6 questions. I will do some of them and give the hint for some of them, then rest you can do yourself. Okay, the first one is integral dx over e power x plus e minus x, right? Okay, what is the rule in this case? Just put e power x equal to t. Okay, and then you can solve these questions. Okay, put e power x equal to t and differentiate to find dx. That will be e power x dx that equal to dt, and that will give you dx equal to dt over ex, and ex is your t, and here will be a t. Okay, I will write down t here. That's your this one, and this equal to integral. This is 1 over t plus 1 over t. Because this is inverse power, I wrote 1 over t, and into dt over t. Okay, and this will be equal to integral t multiply these two. T will multiply with this, if it will be t square, and multiply by this, it will be only 1, and you will get this equal to dt over t square plus 1. And you already know what is the integral of this. This is tangent inverse t, and don't forget to write c at the end, and your answer will be tangent inverse and e power x plus c, because the initial value in x you have to change at the end into x. This was your first question. The second question I will just get. Okay, this second question, dx over e power x minus 1, and what is the rule? I said put e power x equal to t, and you will get e power dx equal to, as you did above, dt over t, and just replace here. This will be 1 over t minus 1 into t, and here dt, and this will be equal to 1 over t minus 1 minus 1 over t and dt. And if you use partial fraction, and this will be equal to log t minus 1 over t and absolute value plus c. And now you can replace with the e power x, and you will get the answer. Okay, now third question is, it's not done. Okay, and now third question is e power x. This one is 5 minus 4 e power x minus e power 2x, and here dx, and here square root. Okay, and I will put e power x equal to t, and you will get dx equal to dt over no, this will be e power x, because you already have e power x here, and that will be e power x equal to dt. Okay, just replace this equal to dt over 5 minus 4t minus t square, and here square root, and here will be okay. I made already a video on this. If you have a quadratic, how to solve? We have to remove this middle term, okay, because you cannot. We have 9 theorems, and which of them one can be used here if there is no middle term. What you have to do? You have to remove this middle term. Okay, what is the procedure? We will complete a square to remove this middle term. This 5 minus here t common, negative common, plus 4t, right? And here you will have to add half of this is 2, and it's a square. Okay, that I will add here. That will be 4. Okay, actually what you are doing, you are actually subtracting, because of minus you are subtracting here, right? And at the end you will add this 4. Okay, and this will be equal to further dt over this 5 and 4, this will be connected to 9, and this will be here 9 minus t plus 2 this whole square. Okay, and I will put again to the little simplify, then it will be little easier. T plus 2 this equal to u, and you will get dt equal to du, and at the end we have to replace everything. This will be du over this 9 you can write as 3 square. Okay, and this will be equal to 3 square minus u square, and already you know what is the answer for this one. Is from one of the 9 theorems. 9 sine inverse u over 3 plus c, don't forget it at the end. Now replace u with this first value, then after that e power x, and this will be equal to sine inverse, this is x t plus 2 over 3 plus c, and this will be equal to sine inverse e power x plus 2 over 3 and plus c at the end. Okay, this was your third question, and fourth question I will just give a hint. Rest you can do yourself. E power x minus 1. There are 2 ways to do this one. Okay, I already made a video based on a square root, right? If you have a square root, first your job is to remove this square root. Okay, if you cannot remove, then you can do put e power x minus 1 this square root this equal to do that. You can do that way. This is the first way of doing this question. Okay, and then this is the best way. I will do this way. If you have one square root, or you can do this way too. Let's do this way, which I said above. Okay, put e power x that equal to t. Okay, and then you will get dx equal to dt over t, and this will be equal to t minus 1 over t and dt. Now you again came to that situation. You have one square root, and I made a video on that. If you have one square root and you cannot remove that square root by using trigonometric identities, then put the whole thing, put this t minus 1 equal to u, and you will get t minus 1 equal to u square, and that will give you t equal to u square plus 1. Then you can solve yourself after that. Don't forget to replace first u value, then t value. Okay, now the fifth question is, Okay, you have e power x. This is again e power 2x plus 4 dx. This is again one square root. We will try to remove the square root by using trigonometric identities if you want to do that way. If you do not want to do that way, first what that video, okay, that in that video, what you can do, you can put e power x equal to 2 tangent theta, right? Because then it will be, that is the first way if you want to do that way, but I will do this way. Okay, and put e power x equal to t. This is the second way I will do. Okay, this is first way. Okay, then you will get e power x dx equal to dt, and this will give you integral this t square plus 2 square and dt, and you can use one of the 9 theorem to solve this one. Okay, out of 9 theorems, those, because there is no middle term, already no middle term, out of 9 theorems use one to solve this question. I already made a video on that. Okay, now after that you have a sixth question. Okay, that question is e power x dx over this e power 3x minus 3 e power 2x minus e power x plus 3. Okay, to solve this question, what is the rule? Put e power x equal to t, because we cannot, e power is x, linear in all these, right? Here 3x, so that is linear. Second, what is the second condition I said here? The second condition, it is not product of two different type of functions, right? Not product of two different type of functions. Third, you cannot express into this way. Next video will be, you can express into this way, and third video will be this, and fourth video will be this. Okay, don't forget to watch those videos. Okay, okay, this one is e power x equal to this, then differentiate, and what will be e power x dx equal to dt, and you replace everything, dt over this will be t power 3 minus 3 t square minus t plus 3. I already made video. If you have a cubic in the denominator, it must have a factor. Okay, square one, if it is quadratic, then you can change into complete a square, right? If no factor, you can do it that way. But this one, if it is cubic, then must have a factor. That means you have to change this into factors. Okay, this and this. What is common here? Here common is t square. That will be t minus 3 left over. Here minus 1 common 3 minus 3, t minus 3 left over, and this will be equal to dt over t minus 3 common into t square minus 1, and this will be equal to dt over t minus 3 into t minus 1 into t plus 1. Okay, now you can solve this further, solve by partial fraction. Solve by partial fraction. Okay, and if you will solve this, then the answer will be this equal to 1 over 8 e power this log e power x minus 3 minus 1 over 4 log this e power x minus 1 and plus 1 over 8 e power this x plus 1 plus c. That will be your final answer, and yeah, you can solve this yourself. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, you can ask in the comments. I will solve for you.